Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a MixItUp tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add more fonts for MixItUp. You may not be happy with the default fonts you have available for MixItUp, but that's very easy to remedy because all you have to do is install new fonts to your computer. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, so where we're gonna go is we're gonna go to Google. We're gonna type in download free fonts. You can click on this one and look for a font and then download it. I already have some fonts that I downloaded and installed, and so I'm just gonna show you that. The reason why I can't download it and show you all in the same like sitting is because what I learned recently is that you can't just install the font. You can't just reset, mix it up. You actually have to reset your computer after you install your fonts. So find the fonts you really love. If you have a bunch of fonts you want to install them all, and then you'll have to reset your computer to see the changes reflect in MixItUp. So if we go to commands, I have a test text command. And the way it works is I'm simply going to the drop down. I'm going to overlay, hit the plus sign. We are adding text, choose a font, and I've got it set to the very bottom. And the font that we're testing is called Bubble Butt. If I press send, you see the Bubble Butt font. What I installed yesterday was I installed one called Baby Plums, if I can find it. So there's also this font, which is not default for your MixItUp or for your computer. Okay. I also installed one called Forsakens. Let's see if that one works. Oh yeah, I installed Grand Hotel yesterday. This is how this one looks. Okay, last let's take a look at Forsaken because I know that one was bothering me yesterday. So let me see if that one works now. Forsakens. Ooh, okay. That one does work. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, whatever fonts you want to install, make sure you install them, then reset your computer. So the way you install a font is, let me open my downloads folder. So what you're gonna do is when you download your font, you'll get a zip file. You're gonna right click on that zip file. For me, I'll go to show more options. I have an application called 7-Zip. You can download it if you don't have an application to unzip files. It's free. You'll click on 7-Zip. You'll go to extract to name of the font folder, and then you get a Bunny Rabbits folder in my case, 'cause that's the name of the font. And then you take this font, and where you're gonna go next is I'm gonna hold the Windows button. I'm gonna press E. I'm gonna click on the C drive. I'm gonna go to Windows. I'm gonna look for fonts, and this is where your fonts are installed. So you're gonna drag this font file over, and then it's automatically going to install that font. And that's what you see here is the Bunny Rabbits regular. So yeah, after you install, emphasis, you want to shut everything down, restart your computer, and then the new font should reflect. If you don't do that, it will not reflect. And also make sure the overlay that your text will be showing on is refreshed. So like I have mine on MixItUp, it's called the MixItUp browser source. Hit refresh on that to make sure that you see the overlays. And yeah, you could do the test like I did, and you should see the text. And that is pretty much it. I'll leave a link to the website I used to download free fonts. I'll leave a link in the description for 7-Zip. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to see more videos like these. If you'd like to hang out with me, talk with me about gaming, about Twitch, about MixItUp, about other things, follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. And thank you for listening. All right, adios.